from Paris. We are about to hit the ground running to see one of the most sought after exhibitions this summer in the French capital. It's an exhibition in the Pinault Collection, and this time my outfit was actually dictated by the museum, so I'll show you that in a second. But let's just have a moment for the beautiful hotel we're staying at. I'll insert a few clips here and then I'll get onto my outfit. We just arrived at the Pinault Collection, which, like I said, is one of the most sought after exhibitions in Paris this summer. We are here to see the Kimsooja installation. It's inside the rotunda. By the time this video comes out, I think this particular exhibition will actually be closed, but you can still visit the museum. Like I said, my outfit was dictated by the museum, so you can see that I'm wearing shoe covers over sneakers. These were given by the museum because the entire floor, as you can see, is covered in mirrors and you don't want to damage it. The dress, please don't ask me where it is from because I got it ages ago and cut the tags off. But if anybody has recommendations on how to find a halter dress like this in other colors, then please let me know because I'm on the lookout. Bag is Bulgari, and now let's head on and see the rest of the exhibition. Okay guys, we are back at the hotel. I was going to stay in the same dress for the next event, but I just realized I might have stained it at lunch. By the way, a lunch recommendation near the Pinault Collection is La Rarita. I will insert some photos here. It's one of my favorite Italian restaurants in Paris. Really delicious. But anyway, I was going to stay in this blue dress and just throw on a pair of heels, but I just realized there's a stain on it, so I think I'm going to switch into a little black dress. Ignore my hair. I've just done it up in a little heatless curl wave, and I will show you in a second how that turned out. And the next event we're going to is at Alaïa. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention about the Pinault Collection is the rotunda. So the mirror installation will be taken down on September 2nd, but obviously the rotunda is still there, and sometimes they do exhibitions with sculptures, painting, etc. So you can definitely still go and see that. The architecture is so impressive. I highly recommend that you go. 2 minutes later, and I'm in a little black tuxedo dress. Don't ask me to do a room tour right now because the mess I've created taking out all of my outfits and switching into this one is just insane. I'll clean that up later. So I'll show you the look in a second, and now I'm gonna take this out. Let me show you the bathroom situation because my mess has not extended into here just yet. So the hotel is designed by French designer Philippe Starck, and there's so many little details. Let me just turn the camera around and I'll show you just a few of them because I really love the attention to interior design details. So first off, we actually have the curtains from the windows over here, and if you pull them back, you will see a Velcro that's attached, so you can actually fully close the curtains. I've never seen that before. I think I might need to implement that in my own home. That's so useful. Then we have this mirror cabinet below the sink, and all of the plugs for the hair dryers, etc. are actually hidden in here, so it doesn't disturb the mirror situation. For the beauty lovers, we have the shampoo and shower gel in these little tubs. They remind me of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Serum. So cute, and they actually smell so good. I think I might need to find out where I can pick these up. And then I usually don't film the toilets, but Can you see it actually has light in the toilet? It also heats up. I just turned the light on. Can you see how amazing that lamp is over here? The only thing I think I'm missing in this bathroom is another hanger so you can hang up the towels, because there's only one. I think they didn't want to put any more holes in the mirror, but that's not very practical because they're all piled over here. So that's something to keep in mind when you're doing a mirror bath. Okay, I think I am officially now running late talking about the bathroom, so let's really take these out now. And off we go! We just arrived at the Alaïa Foundation to see the current exhibition. This is the look I ended up going for. So we have the black tuxedo dress. If you saw my video from Copenhagen Fashion Week, you will know I also have this in white. Black Chanel clutch and the YSL heels. Now let's go on and see the exhibition. The current exhibition at the foundation explores the relationship between Alaïa and Koramata. So here on this side, we have the typical laser cut dresses that Alaïa is so famous for. If you know his bags, you will know these dresses as well. And then on the other side, we have a metal mesh sofa by Koramata, and you can really spot the similarities. Let me also show you one of my favorite dresses. This is from the ready-to-wear collection from 1991. And now let's head on upstairs because for the first time the family has opened Alaïa's atelier to the public. Let's have a look. They just led us through a secret door and now we are actually in the Alaïa boutique. Can you imagine if this was your dressing room? Let's go ahead and explore the rest of the collection. Bonjour again from Paris. It is now Sunday and I think we will take advantage and do some vintage shopping before we leave. So I thought I would bring you along. I wrote an article a while ago about some heart-shaped earrings. I'm really obsessed with heart-shaped earrings and there's a store that I featured in that article. So I'm gonna see if I can go there, and actually Zendaya has been there too. So let's see if we can go. We just arrived at the store I mentioned. The name is Le Merveille de Babelou. And they actually have two parts now. A new section that is dedicated specifically to high fashion. That's where Zendaya went. That's across the street. And then we have this part over here, which is generally open to the public. If you do want to see the high fashion part, then you do have to make an appointment.